Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn formatting in Excel, and following are the topics that we are going to cover. The first one is font, the second one is alignment, and the last one is number. So once you open your Excel, you can see these options on your top left. As you can see over here, font, alignment and number. So we are going to start with font first, and I will write something in this cell now. I will write bold. I will select this and just uncheck this. Now I want this text to be in bold. What can be done? So in the font option, you can see there's this option called bold. So I'll just click on it and our text is in bold. So there's also the shortcut key Control B. If you want your text to be in bold, you can directly press Control B. It will be in bold. And the next one, I want italic. So I'll just write italic, and as you can see, I'll just select this text and I'll write italic. So this text is in italic now. Now what if I want to underline something important? So what can be done? So I'll write important over here. You can write any random text over here, and I will just click on this option. As you can see, underline. You can press Control U as it is written over here, or you can just press on this option. See, it's done. It's that easy. Now another thing is borders, which is very important in Excel. So what if I want to border these cells, the ones which I have selected? So I will select these cells 3, 4 and 5, and I'll click on border, and there are many options that you can choose. So I want my border to be thick box border, like as you can see it's done, right? So based on your preference you can select accordingly. So that is about border. Now what if I want my cells to be colored? As you can see, there's this fill option over here. So you can select any color out of these colors, and let's say I want my color to be yellow. Right, it's done. So all my cells are yellow now. Now I want my text to be colored. What can be done? So just right to the fill option, you can see font color. I have already selected red. As you can see over here, I have selected red. So I'll just click on this cell over here and I'll press font color. As you can see, it is changed to red. And to increase and decrease font size, as you can see, these are the options. I can increase it to 72, which is maximum, and I can decrease it to 8, which is minimum. So yeah, that was about increasing and decreasing font size. Now there are font types. There are n number of font types that you guys can choose. So I will just show you guys that the ones that you can use. So I will be using Arial Black for my font 1. Similarly for font 2, I will be using another one. I will select this text over here, and I'll select elephant. That's it. So these are two different fonts. You can select any according to your preference. So this was it about font, guys. The next one is alignment. This is a pretty interesting topic because in analysis we use this a lot. And let's say I want to merge my 3 rows. How can I merge my 3 rows? So as you can see, there's already this option of merge in center. So I will just select 3 rows and I will press on merge in center. Now I will definitely write something in this box, in this cell. I'll write text. Now I want my text to be in center. How can I do that? So as you can see, the second option over here is for changing your text horizontally. So what if I align my text to the left? As you can see, there's this option of left and there's an option of right. this is for horizontal alignment, and these one it is for vertical alignment. So I want my text to be in center. So yeah, it's done. Now what if I want my text to be in any random direction, or let's say in any particular angle? So as you can see, there's this option of orientation over here. So I'll just click on it and write format cell alignment. I'll click on format cell alignment, and I want it to be 45 degrees. Yeah, it's done. It is very simple. And if you want to indent this towards left, you can do that. You can just select this and you can select the text. You can indent it towards left. Just give me a second. Now you can see I will indent my text towards right, and similarly I can indent it towards left. So that is about indentation. Now what if I write a very long statement and I want to occupy it in one cell only? How can I do that? So for that I will just show you with an help of an example. I will write a statement over here. I have done my engineering in electronics. So this doesn't look good, right? So what can be done? So I will just simply select this cell, and there's this option over here, wrap text. So I'll just click on it, and there we go, it's done. It is in one cell, and this looks pretty good compared to the previous example which I've shown you. So that was about alignment. Now moving on towards number, this is another pretty important topic. So I will just show you how to do formatting, and in numbers how to increase and decrease decimals. So I will show you guys with the help of an example. So now as you can see, 10, I want two decimals to be added to this number. How can this be done? So I will just right click on this cell, and I will go and click towards format cells, and I don't want alignment, I want to make changes in number. As you can see, this is general, number, currency, accounting. There are various options over here, but the one which we are interested in is number, and I want my decimal to be two places. It is already two places, so I'll just change it to again two places only. Now selecting it and pressing OK. There we go. So as you can see, we have our two decimals. So similarly, if I want three decimals now, so I'll just click on number again and increase it to 3 decimals. Okay. Now there's this one more option of date. If you guys have noticed, I'll just write any random date over here, and let's say 2019. So I don't want this format. What can be done? Again, I'll select this cell. I'll right click on it, format cells, and as you can see, it has already identified the date. I want it to be in this format, number, then a month, and the year. Okay, I will select OK, and there we go. Our format has changed, and we have a new format of date over here. And change currencies, so I'll just write random numbers over here in the cells, 4000. So I want this number to be currency in rupees. So I'll just click on format cells, and as you can see, we are interested in currency now, and I want it to be rupee, and I want two decimals after that number. So I will just click on OK. As you can see, currency, we have a number as currency now with two decimals. Similarly, let's say we want some other currency over here, so I'll just click on currency again, and as you can see, there's one more option, symbol, and I want it to be, let's say, Russian. There we go. We have successfully changed a number to currency. And so basically you guys can play around with the data. You can select, you can download few data and work on it, work on your formatting skills in Excel. So this was it about this session, this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it.